Welcome to Wonder Frame.
Imagine a world filled with giant, roaring dinosaurs. But then, poof, they vanished. What happened? For millions of years, dinosaurs ruled the Earth. They were everywhere, big and small. Then, about 66 million years ago, something huge changed. Something really, really big. Scientists have a super cool idea. They think a giant space rock hit our planet. This space rock, called an asteroid, was bigger than a mountain. Can you imagine that? When it crashed, it made a super duper big bang. Boom! Even bigger than any firework. It threw lots and lots of dust and rocks high up into the sky, way past the clouds. This dust made a huge blanket around the Earth, blocking out the sun's warm light. Without the sun, the Earth got super cold and super dark, like a very long, gloomy night. Plants need sunlight to grow, but with no sun, the plants started to wither away. Then, the plant-eating dinosaurs, like the big Brontosaurus, ran out of food. And if they ran out of food, what do you think happened to the meat-eating dinosaurs? The T-Rex and its friends ate the plant-eaters. But if there were no plant-eaters, this was like a domino effect. One thing led to another, and soon it was very hard for dinosaurs to live. So the asteroid didn't just boom and disappear them, it changed their whole world. Can you guess what kind of animals survived? Pause and guess. Comment your answer. Small animals, like some birds and tiny mammals, were able to find food and shelter. They could eat different kinds of food, like insects or seeds that were still around. Some creatures also lived in the water, which was a little more protected from the big changes. Isn't it amazing how one big rock could change everything for so many creatures? But wait, there's a super cool secret. Dinosaurs didn't totally disappear. Some scientists think that birds today are actually distant relatives of dinosaurs. Like a T-Rex shrunk down and grew feathers. How wild is that idea? So, while the big, scary dinosaurs are gone, their feathery cousins are still flying around. This amazing story is mostly thanks to clues we find deep inside the Earth. Scientists dig up bones, called fossils, and put them together like a giant puzzle. They also study rocks to see what happened long, long ago, like a detective solving a mystery. One famous clue is a special layer of clay found all over the world. This clay has a rare material called iridium, often found in asteroids. That's a big clue. The asteroid impact created a huge crater, like a giant bowl in the Earth's surface. It's mostly hidden now, but scientists found it near Mexico. Imagine the boom that made it. So, it wasn't just one thing, but many things happening after that giant impact. It's like when you knock over one block, and then all the other blocks fall down too. The dinosaurs were just too big and needed too much food to survive the long, cold darkness. It's a reminder that even the biggest, strongest creatures can be affected by big changes. Scientists are always learning new things about this incredible prehistoric world. Every fossil, every rock tells a piece of the story of what happened to the dinosaurs. So, the mystery of the missing dinosaurs has a super exciting answer. First, a giant asteroid hit the Earth with a huge boom. Second, dust blocked the sun, making everything cold and dark. Third, Plants died, then plant eaters, then meat eaters, until most dinosaurs were gone. But remember, some amazing birds today are like little dinosaur cousins. Isn't it incredible to think about how much our planet has changed? If you loved learning about dinosaurs, make sure to subscribe so you don't miss our next adventure. And check out our video on why volcanoes erupt. It's just as fiery and fun. Thanks for watching. If you had fun, hit subscribe and ring the bell. See you in the next